white cross.
So our first step is to get the white cross. And what makes up the white cross is 4 edges that go around this white center, right? And what an edge looks like again is, for example, this one right here, the white and orange edge. This is one potential scenario. It's at the top already, but the white is in this row here. Another scenario is like this one here. This is the white and green edge, which also belongs next to this white center to make the cross. But in this case, it's in the 3rd row, but you can see it. Perfect. And now here we have the white and the blue edge. It is the white color face of the edge is at the very bottom, and the blue is on this 3rd row. And the last potential scenario you can have is the white edge on the 2nd row with the white facing you, either on the left side or on the right side. In this case, it's on the left side. So we're gonna start with this scenario just because it's the easiest. So when the white is on the 2nd row, and remember, I'm holding my white center at the top. In order to get this white edge next to white center, all I have to do is, in one move, bring it to the top. That is called striking distance. Now this one happened to make himself into striking distance, but look what happens when I move to the top. It messes up the previous one. So in this case, I need to move the top in order to bring up the one in the middle. Perfect. I'm gonna show you the scenario with one at the bottom. So here, this white and blue edge is at the bottom because the white face of the edge is at the very bottom next to the yellow center, and my white center is at the top. So when the white face of the edge is at the bottom, what I do to bring it up is I'm gonna have it on my right side, it's facing the bottom, and I'm gonna turn the right 2 times, and that brings it to the top. Now we have to make sure that as we're moving it to the top, it doesn't mess up the other edge that is at the top. Now this one here is on the 3rd row. We can see the white. So what we're gonna do is, without messing up any of the other edges on the top, we're gonna move the face so that this white edge is on the 2nd row, and now we can bring it up and is in striking distance because it can go up in one move. Perfect. Now we're gonna find our last edge, which happens to be on the bottom as well. Notice that I kept my white center at the top still. It is right underneath where I need it to be. It's at the bottom. Like I said, we're just gonna move the right 2 times without disturbing the others. And now I have my white cross.